In this video, we'll show you how to change the country or region for your Apple ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. This is particularly useful if you've recently moved to a different country or region. Updating your Apple ID can give you access to region-specific apps, services, and content. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your account page. To update your country or region, tap on your name and email at the top of the screen. You might be asked to authenticate using Face ID or another method. Once that's done, scroll down and find the country region option, then tap on it. Here, you'll see your current country or region. Changing it will cancel any active, automatically renewing subscriptions, but you can resubscribe later. Tap on the option to change your country or region and choose your new location. In this case, I'll select the United States. Next, carefully read the terms and conditions, and once you've done that, tap Agree in the top right corner. Now, you'll need to add a payment method. You can select None if you prefer not to add one. After that, you'll be asked to enter a billing address for your new region. Once everything's entered, tap Next. And just like that, your Apple ID's country or region has been updated, as you can see here at the bottom of the screen. It's that simple.